Play Pibaro, Shagatup Khuborjylla, Donbosco Media Network. Kimat Bakong San Mentakas Ngikilong. Palat Lai Hajar Mut Kikam Pulit Kiban sa Penbenasyen, Pentep Usembot Menteri Rangba. Sedang ke office jong ke district election ya ke jingpen ngautuk pajba halor ke jingpen don kam ya ke electronic voting machine. Meeting yok do ya ke Western Bypass ong ke Nohprah Achik National Movement hauba Preston. Bat penkre kirang yele akai na Kolkata banya kun persya ya ke hinyau basa haga khat arterik hanong stoy. Bat mentangin pasyi Khubor ba kampanya. Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ba Preston Tinsong hene kesngi uloong basyen ke sorkar kan sepenbena ban pendap no ia lai hajar teli ki kam ki balat ha ketanat pulit. Ulai thu ru ba ke jingpen kre kalayat minta bat ya ke jingpen bena pat ba ki ban pelat no ha ke basdang jong snem ban wan.
Very soon. Now the process is almost completed. Then the advertisement will be out very soon. If not this year, at least early next year, we will come out with the advertisement.
How many posts?
3,000 plus. 3,000 plus police force.
Early next year you are planning?
Sorry?
Early next year?
Yeah, if not this year, early next year, positively we will come out with the advertisement.
Ka office jong ke district election haga khatway terik mentau banai Nohprah hajar arpulai kelasdang ya ke jingpen ngautu pat ba ahlor ke jingpen don kam ya ke electronic voting machine ban penkre ya ke jing tap vote sya ke lok sabha hakani kesngi la ka we lamai ke Kalivan da ke DC East Khasinews district ka kong RM kurba rengkat ke jingedon lang ki nongelam jong ge seng san perthai ba pher Kajing temu bokong san kelong ban pins ngautu pat ba ya ke rukom pendon kam ya ki EVM. Kani ka van kan sedang banyak keling ki jakat hep vote ban pins ngautu iki pat ba kumno ban pendon kam ya ki EVM nak benta ke election Lok Sabha.
As the electoral democracy van set forth on the mission to empower and educate our communities, let us reflect on the significance of this moment. This initiative marks a crucial step towards fostering awareness and understanding of our electoral process. Thank you all for being part.
By each one of us, you've not left us on our own. Thank you so much. I thank all the sector officers present here. There are 102 of you, and I know it's very time-taking for you out of your busy schedule in your respective departments. But this is a very important exercise that we have to do. We are a very huge democratic country, and we require each one of us to participate to ensure that we have a foolproof system. And when I say about a foolproof system, we are in a day where we are using these electro voting machine, the EVMs, and here if we look back from the time when it started very early in the early 90s. The first time that we used the EVMs in our country was for the state election in Goa in 1999. Thereafter, they were used because of the successful exercise in Goa. It was also extended to other states, both by-election, state election in 2003, and thereafter in 2004 for the MP elections. So you can understand the the importance of educating our people to ensure that they know how to use these machines, and that these machines have been proven. A lot of people have, criticized them, have kind of, have doubted them. the use of these EVMs, but it has been proven time and again. And today, as I say, in our country we have about 96 million voters, who's going for the election, Lok Sabha 2024 elections. And the number is still counting. We are still in the process of enrollment is there. Even though we've just finished the special summary revision, you all know, and you participated. We are, on a continuous process until the last day of, the time when the MC takes place, and when the actual process starts, when we stop the enrollment. So with this, I thank my entire team, all the enumerators and staff, for being here with us today, and coming to our own district.
Kahnyo trip a Czech National Movement HANM rengkat kesenjuk kinong sensyar shnong kanong kliu area hakas ngining kong kila IT da kador khas haus sembut Menteri Rangba ka Jylla ba plestun tensong ban kerpat da sorkar bakan wat kilat kenang baka Western Bypass kanom 2A. Habakren bikilat pathai Khubor Presiden ke HANM ulai thu baha kador khas kila kedau bakim kwa batang namar barem ka Baijaka kin chuduk no kumtui ketika surok ba. Kumta kila ajing mut ika sorkar bakan penyat bet na kesurok rim kenang baka Baijaka kan om dabun e.
Erang telu hebat bawai. Hadin bingi yo leng ba kilat pathai Khubor ba umstar jungi beri pe prudi ba piti tengsong baila keren bai ong ba kata ka Western Bypass bakal arem palat kata ka Baijaka kum datarter kat kum baila ong hagalong bagilat pathai Khubor. Tena kaliang ni hadin bagai jingir stuk jumur lang mentakas ni wat langim kendu yai ngilayo ban sumit ha ki PA ki jong ki lengba kan ka kot ka jing ya trelang bat kesenjuk ba snong nong klip area berowai mentakas ni kalau blok sebab pelat kila sakut no sistem lenti ki sura snong ba pli ajing sha mongan kendu yai minister berom jingi ngayo lengba ki tiket lat sai Khubor. Bana kaliang jingi ngiting baka tei ka project yo la se kan sadu kumba iong bakal arem pelat tak Baijaka. Teng kaliang jingi unong sung snong jong ka tei ka nong kliu iri haber boy kum tata sadu sakrang. Tengi ni ajumut ya pi minister bun buro. Ya ban kendo kat kene ka project nam ta ka suk ka san jong pai ban jong snong kham tam ya ka blok. Tengah kentu ya pi ba snobha ban lek no nakan tiga barem nama maram kum tat sadu riboy khot beng sai sin ni hiring khnang bagan project kamlong no na ka banta kajing denggali jung pai ban snong ban wan Shillong namar balai kat kum kakarteng ka de Western Bypass te kat kum jing i jung i ba ka klem yu na ta ka Western Bypass te ngis ngolongo kai i kali yu pun ban na Eastern te na iskihil te ngis ngolongo kai tadi hang tan kaliang ngiwan ban pathai lang bai ni ilap thai Khubor ba chapi wat langim ya kenduk mentas ngin re ngatrai ya kajing ai jengmut jongi te so ba accept lang lene penbet ba khot ni ring na kaliang ngin ya train kat bat phi na mentang na project lada phi ngap lem ni kajing ai jengmut jongi harangkat ni kaseng harkat ni train lang bat kirong ba snong jong tai area berowai.
Kakenhun yili aka jangka Peerless FC na Kolkata kalawan poi hapo kasor Nongston na kabenta banyo mi madan ha kalumpung invitation knockout football tournament arhajar arpulai balapenya the new Nongston Sports Social and Cultural Club NNSSCC. Ka Peerless FC kanya kun persya ya kakenhun yili aka jangka nyo wasa na po Jante Hills batla sakhiru bekirangil akai ke Peerless FC kibalawan sa lupa kilayo ban kilan met bat practice hapo kamadan New Nongston na kabenta ban penkre bahai ladi kajingya kun hapadeng kiti ki artli ki kenhun kan long lasai kasngi ka khat artrik Nohprah ha ka por shibaji jan mit hapo kamadan yele akai jong kasnong New Nongston bat kawai ni kini ki kenhun kaban yo Korea kajing job kan yo ban rung syaka quarter final jong kani kelumpung ya kabala penyat the new Nongston Sports Social and Cultural Club. Kelempung Yelekai Football ke baju penyat man usnem daka 7 United Sports Social and Cultural Club Pendeng Umyong Mairang ya ke belatip kum ka Fort Tirot Singh Memorial Trophy Football Tournament arjar arpulai kala poino syaka thup jong kejingya kun ban yora eka nam ladu ka belalong haka khatway terik Nohprah hapedeng ke themeh Nohprah FC persya eka Donbosco FC hamadan Yelekai jong Shillong Pendeng Umyong Mairang. Hakani kesengi la sakhi bedaki hajar mut ki pai bat nong shong shnong nagathan east and west khasi hills kila tu chakate ke jingele akai ban kershan yala ke jong ke kinhon haba pha chake jingele akai ke jinge khun apdeng kini ki artli ki kinhon ke dalong shisha ke jinge khun ke be itnat bat ka babiang bor bha harengkat ke jing penshai pensngan ki pai ba kini ki artli ki kinhon kila se yala jong ki bor ban yo penki e ka jar Henry tang ke themei Nohprah kala la ban pen khi ke jar ka bening kong kat ba ke ten bros kala persyang bha ban pen phai kam shim la la ban pen urlong namar ke jing tibet kirang yele akai ki bahdien jong ke themei Nohprah bat hadu ke bakut ke jing yele akai kala kut da shiko la not ha ke bai ka nam la do ba de ke song pisa la yo ra da ke themei Nohprah
Bola lah dosa.
Iya nih. Mau naik.
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngila poi syaka bekut tak hadu pengidai syambiang Khuborjylla.